County in northeastern Georgia, White County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Iowa City to Gillsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Cleveland, Homer, Lillard, Maysville, Claremont, Helen, Pendergrass, Gillsville, Tahoe, Unicoi State Park, Robertstown, Highfield Crossroads, Mossy Creek, Anaruby Falls, Leaf, Smith-Galwood Conservation Arm, Hollingsworth, and Santee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to meet us here report at NWS Atlanta.